Good morning, team. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get into some trade recaps here over the last 2 days. So let's see what day this is. The 26th. So that was Tuesday. And then I've got a recap from yesterday as well. Let's go ahead and find where the first trade is. Okay, first trade is right around here. See what went on here. Speed it up. Boom. Okay, so I went long right there, which was jumping the gun. Now I was going long, looks like off of the back test of this um, gapped over high a day, which is pretty ambitious considering what type of day it was. Let's take a look what type of day it was. That was back here. Yeah, that was this day. Um, let's confirm that. Yeah, this should be the 6th. It's actually this day here. So went long right around here. Um, and yeah, that is a bit ambitious considering that that is definitely a counter trend, right? Um, and in my forecast, I remember that I had mentioned previous day high low. I had mentioned pre-market low. Um, I had mentioned a lot of that stuff. Um, and and I should have waited for a little bit more candle development, but I jumped the gun as soon as I saw this green candle, as if it was going to pop this level, come forward, and then just close up here. And if it did, so be it. Um, so instead, I got in one there, and it's 35 points against me, 30 some points against me. 2 minute MAC does look like it's ready to pop. 5 minute MAC does look like it's ready to cross, but I don't really have that stuff yet. My 15 minute MAC and my 30 minute stoke is not that great. It does pop for me here. Could slow it down actually. It does pop for me here, and then what do? Is I average again in at the top. I'm buying the green, um, looking for it to just keep going, and I think that's just not how I should be doing it. I should be waiting for at least the candle close. This would have been an okay buy at the bottom of this range, thinking that this range is going to go ahead and pop. But all right, so now I've got 20 points in my favor. Let's see, I should be taking at least like two of these. We are at the 2 minute top down. Um, we are at 2 minute. I got these Keltners here just to remind me, don't be greedy and expect it to blow past the Kelts. Multiple Keltner bands. Um, and I should definitely be taking at least like two of these. But let's see what happens. I think it's gonna go against me here. Um, all right, so I even got a chance to take even better ones. Um, and why am I still not taking profit? I'm up 50 points. Why am I not taking profit? Why in the world am I not taking profit? Am I just waiting for this to explode? Like now we're at the 15-minute top down from the pre-market trend, and I'm still not taking profit. What is going on? When am I going to take some profit? I mean, this definitely just exceeded my expectations here. I'm sitting here looking at my indicators instead of taking profit. This is about to just reverse into me. Let's go ahead. I can't stand watching this just reversing me. Let's go ahead and speed this up. So I just watched it go. I just watched three contracts go 50 points in my favor and did not take profit. Um, Now it's going against me, and I buy a few more. But that is just crazy. And now it's 30 points against me. I had three contracts, 50 points for me on MNQ. That is, it was a 300 bucks. And I just did not take the profit. Now I'm 20, 30 points against, and I finally just close when it breaks that low. Actually, what I tried to do was add in a ton here, since it was so close to my final stop down here, and then I closed. I mean, that is just crazy. And of course, since I saw a huge profit and it came back and reversed into me, now as soon as I close, I get reversed. Wow. I mean, that I'm so glad I did this recap because that is just terrible. When I have 50 points in my favor, I need to be taking profit. I should have taken one at the 2 minute top downs here. I could have saved one for the pre-market down. I mean, look at that perfect tap. Look at that perfect tap. That right here is a perfect tap on some resistance. Could have taken some there. Blew past the 2 minutes. Came all the way back down at the pre-market low. Um, I mean, that is just crazy. Let's skip forward a little bit. Yeah. So then I watch it get into pre-market low. Yesterday closed. Gets a big. As soon as this candle came through, I could have entered back in. Strong, strong, strong 2 minute candle. I could have entered back in here. A big stop at the bottom of the candle, but could have entered back in here or waited for a retrace at the body of that candle, which I doubt. Might not even get much. So let's just go forward some more here, see what happens. Puts in a doji, retraces, half the candle, that retraces half the candle, and off to the freaking races. And I'm not in this position because I exhausted myself mentally with this crap. I mean, look at this wedge, dude. This wedge. Perfect falling wedge, gets to the bottom, breaks out, consolidation, retrace the body, off. You got the 2 minute cross, you got the 5 minute cross, and I'm just not in it, even though that's what I expected. So let's get forward to the next trade, wherever that may be. Time check 8 minutes for finding the second trade. Okay, boom. So I got into a trade around here. So what am I looking at here? I drew this little, what I thought the structure was going to be. So I go long here. Second trade, I'm long. Looking to just take some profit. And I think these are too quick of some profit takes, but maybe I'm a little salty for my early one. Okay, so a little scalp. Little scalp. Let's see what happens. Because realistically, I mean, we are at 2 minute bottom up from the low of the day. It's been a bullish day. We got the 15-minute crossed up. We got the 30-minute stoke indecisive. We don't have my EMAs with me. Oh, we are near the bottom of the 2 minute Keltners. Definitely would have been a good spot for a trade, but instead, I think I'm probably a little mentally drained, and then it just wrecks upside. See, like, what is up with this? Two fantastic trades that I just did not. And then I try to trying to short this, like, I guess, little channel here, these 2 minute top downs. I think it's going to give me one last attempt here. So I just added in one short and slows down, watch it play out. Added in a couple more short. I mean, this does not look like a good idea, really. I am shorting a huge candle, you know? Like, not look like the best trade. Shorting a gigantic candle, and now 30 points down. Yeah, and I'm just that confident it's going to come back, I suppose. I mean, what are we looking for? I guess a 2 minute crop, but now the 2 minutes crossing back up, the 5 minutes curling back up, and I don't really have anything, and I'm just adding up to 7. I mean, this is crazy. So, I mean, a good trade here, an amazing trade here, and and this is going to be great journal food right here. Right after this review, before I start the next one, go ahead and journal. Okay, so I did at least get a little bit of top here. Now I should be taking profit on definitely those ads. I should have gone down to 4 right there immediately. Should have gone down to 4 immediately as soon as it did that snap down. Right there. Right there, I should have taken some off at break even. But I guess I'm messing with whatever's over here. And I didn't. Now it's going against me. I've got 7 against me for 20 points, 25 points. And I gotta just cut this. Like, clearly, and this could easily be one of these. Now do 1, 2, 3, boom. Strength, consolidation, consolidation, boom. I mean, that's 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, you know? And I finally cut. Yep. All right, time to go get the journal and journal these, and then be back for the next recap.